Welcome back, everyone. Mike McConville here one more time, Stratford, Ontario, Canada for String Tech Workstations. We have a couple of pretty cool pieces in today. This is a 1951 Emperor Regent single pickup Epiphone archtop guitar. Solid top, solid back. The lower bout is 18.5 inches wide. This thing is a monster. Anyway, beautiful guitar, really. Overall, it's in a pretty astounding condition. Although there are a couple of things. On this side, it's a little more prominent. But the fact that there's an actual filler piece in there underneath the fingerboard tells me that it's highly likely this fingerboard was taken off the guitar at some point and then reinstalled. It might have been a matter of somebody trying to do a neck reset. I mean, the guitar's been around a long time, and then decided to actually remove the fingerboard and change the angle that way. Not too sure, but as we get into it, as always, you'll get a play-by-play on this one. Now, the other guitar we have is, surprise, surprise, another Tele. Now, this is a US Tele, and fortunately, it has the waveform saddles. Now, I just had one of my subscribers sort of asking about the 3 saddles for the 6 strings on a Tele. So when you look, you'll see that the way these were machined, the EA saddle is actually canted like this slightly. The D and G string saddle is canted quite a bit more because that is the biggest discrepancy between the D string, which moves to the front of the saddle, and the G string that moves to the back. So these are the typical waveform saddles. This is canted like so, this is canted like so, and then the last saddle is canted the other way. So we should be able to line up the intonation pretty good with these, and we'll keep you in the loop as we go. And it took a while for Fender to get around to it because there's multiple companies out there, Callahan and Glendale and Wilkinson and Joe Barden, that were making replacement brass compensated 3-way saddles for replacement on Telecasters. Well, Fender sort of jumped into the game now. I guess they were losing some market share. So we'll see how accurate these ones are. I know the Glendale ones were spectacular. Machining looks pretty good on this. It doesn't look quite as tight as the Glendale or the Callahan saddles were. So as always, we'll give you step-by-step on this one. And thank you for all the positive comments on the last sort of double Tele video. Obviously, it kind of struck home with a lot of people. I've had a flurry of new Patreon subscribers, my Tier 3 subscribers that have ordered their compensated nut packages. So now all of the Tier 3 level Patreon subscribers have access to hours and hours of super detailed video on exactly how this moving target is addressed. You know, I promised in a previous video that I would never bring up this C19 thing. But I am going to bring it up, and the only reason I bring it up is because this is positive news. I was on the phone with our daughter in New York last night, and she's navigating this thing and hunkered down in Manhattan in her apartment, doing the social distancing thing and doing the Zoom or Skype thing for her office meetings, etc. And I've also been bantering back and forth to Thomas Nordig today via email in LA, and he was saying after 45 years of being in LA, for the first time he's seeing clear blue skies and almost no traffic, and he sent me a picture of his front lawn, and it looks like he sent a team of landscapers with fertilizer, a vacuum cleaner, and tweezers to pull all the weeds. I mean, it's amazing looking. I just thought I'd share that. There's some positive C19 news. Signing off for now. We'll be back with both of these guitars and all the details. Stay safe, everyone. Cheers.